what we've done here is we've grabbed the word protection, which is what Havoline is all about for engines. We've symbolised it with the shield, which already exists. It's a property that Havoline already owns. We've taken that shield and we've multiplied that by 120, and with that image we've created 4 profound symbols of protection as they cover the 4 pillars in the marketing campaign.
I think it's really important that when you're working under such sort of restricted time constraints, that you have a really strong element of trust, and we've been able to have that with the team in Chevron in the US, and being able to work together to really craft something that I think is really special, and I think people are really going to be excited about.
You'll see well and truly throughout the making of this campaign that we're really sewing the word protection and the Havoline shield deeply into the centre of this campaign idea.
Jill rang up and said, hey, I really like this reference of all the kids in the various locations, what do you think? And it was like, well, you know, I love that, and I put it forward. And also the looseness is going to suit us because of the kids are so hard to control. We decided that it was going to work well, and we wanted to go with the location system.
57, 58, 61, 63, 64. You guys go stand by, you'll be the next person now. You guys are part of a window. 55, 56, 57 and 54.
We have the numbered kids come in and take positions on templates, and we were able to see what needed to happen for that shape to be formed tightly and neatly, and removed the black template, so there was no true image. There was just markers on the ground that those kids had to go in and find, and then the rest of them could form after that. And it was just rehearse, 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 really.
So we had to do a whole exercise where we figured out very early in the process who were people that could take direction really quickly, that I could rely on, and who would listen. So whenever there's a formation, there's always key positions, and actually we've kind of transformed them into working as a whole team who move off after I say 5, 6, 7.
8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and back for 7.
They've already, as you can see, got concrete barriers, and they've blocked off this little piece of road. So it's a disused area and it's under construction, so it's great. So there's no traffic through here. We're nicely shut off from everything.
8 and leads, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7.
Into your left slightly. Keep going, keep going, keep going. We're there. That's it. Good. Okay, new mark.
So that's perfect.
Yeah.
And we'll never get that noise.
Yeah, great.
Looked pretty impressive right from the word go, and compared to a lot of editing jobs, most of it was done in camera.
Yeah, we did have a few more frames on the back end, so there's a bit more activity.
Let's try this, let's try that. Actually, it works really nicely without it.
You run out towards those guys now, running. Right out, and co-riding quite closely.
Individual kids standing there with their shields and walking in, and they've got them walking in, filling a few holes, and we've snuck shields popping out from other shields just to fill up a few gaps. But really, most of it's just totally in camera, just the kids and the choreography.
Every single stage we go through polishes it up. So now those shields, they look like they could protect anything because they look strong. The silver looks really silver, the red looks very powerful, looks very protective. Every stage of the process from here on in just only looks better.
This protects your fuel economy and helps minimize carbon emissions, which of course helps to protect the environment. So look for the shield and protect what matters. Havoline.
And there you go, you have the end result.